Hello YouTube. Today we go from basic to drive, shots match, skies alive, and that sleek teal magenta grade. That's simple. This isn't a 20-note science project, it's a fast, repeatable grade for motorcycle POV. One simple base correction, a curve, a touch of color shaping, then quick shot match. You can do this between rides. DJI Action 5 Pro gives us more latitude than people expect. If you expose sensibly, there's detail in the sky and a room in the shadows. We will lean on that. Open the mids just enough to reveal the clouds, then drop the shadows and highlights, so the image gets thick without clipping. That's the secret to a cinematic roll-off from a tiny camera. Action 5 Pro gives us more latitude than people expect. If you expose sensibly, there's detail in the sky and room in the shadows. We will lean on that. Open the mids just enough to reveal the clouds, then drop the shadows and highlights so the image gets thick without clipping. That's the secret to a cinematic roll-off from a tiny camera. I have imported the clips to a Rec 709 timeline. If you shot flat, add your transform or a soft normalizing LUT at the end of the stack, so all the creative moves happen under it. Keep it simple. First, let's pick up a target. Pop up on Google Images and search for a look you like. Think drive stills, try simple terms. Drag that JPEG straight into your media pool. Drop it on the timeline above your clip or keep it as a still in the gallery. Either way is fine. I'm not hand grading this one, just using Resolve's match. I right click the reference icon, hit match this clip and let it line things up. Instantly the skies and tarmac fall into place. The scopes agree, no weird cast, no crunch. That's our baseline, set in seconds. I will toggle the wipe, play it full to confirm it holds in motion. And we are done here. Copy the stack to the next shot. Fast, clean and consistent. Start on one node. Tiny white balance nudge if needed. Now set overall density. Contrast up. Pivot around 0.43 so weight sits in the midst. Then the Action 5 trick. Highlights down and shadows down to keep sky texture and road grid. Watch the waveform. We want structure, not crunch. Now I'm going to play the finished look